Now in this video we'll see what is the meaning of a regular graph and a k-regular graph. So first we'll see a regular graph. A graph in which all the vertices has the same degree, that is called a regular graph. If for some positive integer k and degree of v is equal to k for every vertex v of the graph G, then G is called k-regular. For example, here we have taken this rectangle or a square. So now when you observe here, each vertex of this graph is having the degree as 2. That's why we call it as a 2 regular graph. So in these two examples here, each vertex the degree will be equal to 3, and even here also the degree will be 3. So these two graphs are called 3 regular graphs, and even in these two graphs are also the degree of each vertex will be equal to 3. So we call this as all these 4 examples for a 3 regular graphs. Next we'll see what is the meaning of a complete graph. A graph G is called a complete graph if every pair of vertices are adjacent and is denoted by Kn, where n is the number of vertices. Means here each vertex must be connected to all other vertices of the graph. That is called a complete graph. A simple graph in which each pair of distinct vertices is joined by an edge. So now when you observe here, this is k1, this is also a complete graph, and k2 here, these two vertices have been joined here. This is one edge, and here this will be k3. So we have, when you notice here in k3, all the 3 vertices are joined, and these two are k4. Now observe here, now each vertex must be joined with all other vertices. See here, I can draw something like a diagonal here, or I can write an edge like this also. So these two are called k4, that is complete graph with 4 vertices. But in this case we are having 6 edges. So next here we have taken k5, and here when you notice here, each vertex will be joined with all other vertices, and this is an example of k6, k1, k2, k3. This is nothing but a complete graph, and that 1, 2, 3, 4 will denote the number of vertices in that graph. So k is the k with suffix n is called a complete graph with n vertices. So let us take one theorem based on this. Now show that in a complete graph with n vertices there are n into n minus 1 by 2 edges. Show that, or they may give you the statement as show that the maximum number of edges in a simple graph with n vertices is n into n minus 1 by 2. So now to prove this, again here we'll make use of an handshaking lemma. Let G be a graph with n vertices v1, v2, v3, etc. vn. Then by handshaking lemma we have summation I is equal to 1 to n, degree of vi is equal to 2q. So in the last video we have proved this part now. So now since this is a complete graph, so each vertex will be connected with the remaining vertices. Therefore, the degree of each of these vertices must be equal to n minus 1, because there are n vertices and each vertex is connected with all other vertices. Therefore, degree of each one of this will be equal to n minus 1. So when we take the summation I is equal to 1 to n, degree of vi, because here I am taking 1 to n because there are n number of vertices. So degree of vi is n minus 1. Each one, when we take the summation, this will become n into n minus 1. But here we have showed that it will be equal to 2q. Here this will be equal to n into n minus 1. So 2q must be equal to n into n minus 1. Therefore q should be equal to n into n minus 1 by 2. Q is nothing but the edge. Therefore the number of edges here will be n into n minus 1 by 2. So a graph G with p vertices is said to be a complete if its size is Size means if each edge must be equal to p into p minus 1 by 2. So let us take here a k-regular graph. So if I take a k-regular graph here with n vertices, then here since it is a k-regular graph, we will be having here n is the number of vertices we took here. Since it is k-regular, I took it as k by 2 edges. Therefore, degree of Vi must be equal to 2q. Therefore, Nk is equal to 2q. So, the number of edges in a k-regular graph will be Nk by 2. So, this is how we have the theorem on a complete graph.